Hi all, welcome to another video. In this video, we will be teaching you how to do some basic mathematical operations in an Excel sheet. We are using Microsoft Excel worksheet over here. So we have some values written over the Excel sheet. So first thing we will be learning how to do basic addition, the operation addition in an Excel sheet. So in column A1, we are having a value as 23. In column A2, we are having a value of 31. In column A3, we are having a value as 54. So in order to find the sum of these three values, either we can do one thing, we can drag and select the whole three cells, then we will be having the sum of the selected cells in this shortcut has 108. In order to calculate that here over the cell, we are having an formula or an equation such as we have to type is equal to sum open bracket. We have to select the whole three cells from A1 to A3, close the bracket, press enter. The same value what was displayed over here has come over in A4 cell, which is the sum of three cells above the A4 cell. Similarly, this operation can be done for this set of cells over here. So we'll type again is equal to sum of or sum is equal to SUM open bracket, select the cells whichever we want to add, that is from cell C2 to C10. Actually you will get that you can see that from here the cells that we have selected is from C2 to C10. Then close the bracket, enter. Okay, so if you click on the cell, you will get the formula bar over here. In this formula bar you will be getting what formula we have used over here. Suppose if there is a change in the number, it will also get reflected over the formula which we have used in C11 cell. Similarly, there is a shortcut to do the same process. For that, what we have to do, we have to select the cells like this. Then we have to press the Autosum over here. Press Autosum. It will automatically generate the same. It will automatically do the same process, calculating all the cell values together. So here if you want to cross verify, the sum of these cells is 426, which is the same value we got over here using this Autosum function.